back to my channel. Today I am going to be giving you guys a hair update. So y'all saw that y'all saw my crochet installation for this hair. You know, I got lots of compliments for these hair, for this hair. A lot of people asking me, hey, what kind of hair is this? People didn't know it was crochet, but it is. I'm like, listen, this is crochet. It's growing out of my scalp, baby. You can pull it. You can pull it. Yeah, like I love it. I love it. Like to me, I like when it gets like frizzy and messy. Like I like that look. Like I just do. So I'm just going to give you guys a spin around. This is just a quick update video. So I'm just going to spin around so y'all could see how the hair is looking. So this is how the hair is looking. In the morning, I don't do anything. Like I literally just get up and that's it. I just go like this. And that's it. Like I don't do nothing. I don't lay no edges. I don't do nothing. Like nothing. Okay, this is why I'm loving this hair. Like I don't do nothing. I just, that's it. And then in the night when I go to sleep, oh, I'll show you what I do. Hold on. In the night when I go to sleep, this is what I do. I have my favorite scarf, right? And then I just go like this. Because I want it to stay like the bob look. So I like bend it in like this. And then I come to the front and I put it in front. I put it like behind my ears like so. Okay. And then I come to the front. Then I tuck the front in. Tuck the front in. And then I tie it like so. Tie it like so. Oh my gosh. You know, your girl's still looking cute going to sleep, you know? Yeah. So I tie it, oh gosh. Looking crazy. So I tie it like so, and then yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go and take a nap, you know, wipe off my makeup, go take a shower, take off my jewelry and stuff. And then I take this off in the morning. I just take this off. Okay, your girl is back in the building. I take it off and that's it. That's it. Like this is all I do. This hair is amazing. So if you guys haven't tried out this hair, definitely try it out. I am not sponsored in no shape or form. I just really like the hair. Yeah, so if y'all haven't seen my installation video, go ahead and check out my installation video. And this is it. This is how I maintain it. I don't add no product to it. I don't do nothing, like nothing. Like that's it. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'm going to leave a comment down below with the link to the previous video, so definitely go and check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if y'all want to see another bath and body haul. Hand soaps. If y'all want to see another bath and body haul, let me know in the comments down below. I will have a poll in my community tab. You know, if you guys say yes, then I'll do it. If you guys say no, then I'll squash it. So, yeah. Okay, bye guys. See y'all. Have a good night.